Welcome to Concrete 5 blog post tutorial. What is a blog? A blog is a web page wherein an individual may record their opinions, discussions, informational sites, links, or other sites on a regular basis. These are the key components of your blog. The first page of your blog displays snippets of the content of your posts. The reader can click on View Posts to read the entire article. The Archive category provides an overview of your blog topics and organizes them by month and year when they are posted. Tags are keywords used to describe the content of your article. You can use the same tags for multiple posts. When you click on a tag, it will show you all the blog posts with the same tag. Here is how to start your blog. From the home page of your site, log in. Create blog post. Once you are logged in, you can create a post right off the edit bar at the top of the screen called Create Blog Post. Upon selecting, you'll be redirected to the Pro Blog page. The Pro Blog Post has 5 components: Info, Post, Options, Attributes, and Meta. The Info tab is where you create a preview of your blog post. The Post tab is where you place all the content for your new blog post. The Options tab is where you add tags so readers can search for keywords and categories which list the main topics you are blogging about. Unless you have custom attributes made, you do not need to worry about the Attributes tab section. The Meta tab is where you put information that helps search engines find and rank your various blog posts. Select the Info tab. This Info tab has 4 parts: blog title, author, thumbnail image, and blog description. Info tab will be a preview of your blog. It is what people will see before they read your post. The blog title tells the reader what the post is about. Author is the person who authorized or created the blog post. The thumbnail image is where you choose a thumbnail from your file manager to give users a better idea of what your blog post is about. The blog description will help readers know what the blog is about, as well as what they can expect to find within the blog. Now select the Post tab. The large description block is where your blog post content can be placed. This is where the main information that you want to share or reflect with your readers will be posted. It can be edited just like a content block. You can edit text, add images and links, and everything else that a content block would normally do. Now, move on to selecting the Options tab. This tab has 8 parts: date, tag, blog category, section location, send email to subscribers, scrape content for URL pingbacks, draft copy, page type. The Options tab is where you add tags and categories so users will be able to locate your blog easier on your site and in searches. Select the date and time you want your post to be live and viewable on your website. If you select a date and time in the future, your post will not be viewable until that date. Tags are used to help readers locate posts on your blog. Tags are more like the index at the back of a book. It is a keyword used to describe an article. Blog category allows you to sort your posts into topics. This makes it easy for users to search your blog. Categories are often used like chapters in a book. They provide overview of the topics you blog about. Section location allows you to choose where you want your blog post to be hosted. This is used when you have multiple blogs on your website. For example, if you have 3 blogs on your site, section location allows you to post your article to the appropriate blog. By selecting the Send Email to Subscriber box, you will send email notices to users who have subscribed to your email list. These are users who want to be notified when you upload a new blog post and follow your blog. Please contact BizView if you would like more information about this feature. Scrape content for URL pingbacks. Unless you are a professional blogger, we recommend leaving this box unchecked. By selecting the pingback box, you have indicated that other bloggers who link to your blog in their posts will have their pingback comments added to your blog post. This means any comments left on their linked blog posts will automatically link back to your blog post. If your pro blog is already linked to your Twitter account, you can post a notification to your Twitter account every time a blog is uploaded. Within the draft copy, select the drop-down menu. Save Normal will post your blog right away unless you set a future date to post. When you save your blog as a draft post, it will not be visible on your live site. In the dashboard, find ProBlog and click on List. In the List page, you can see all the posts currently on your site. Any post in draft form will be waiting to be approved. To approve your post, click on the title of the post and it will go to the post page. On the post page, you will see the light blue bar with Approved on the top right corner. Click Approved to make your post live and viewable. The Save and Notify Approvers tab functions the same as Saved as Draft, with the exception that it will notify any other users who are required to approve the draft prior to posting live. Unless you have created a custom page for your blog post, the recommended page type is blog post or pro blog post. It is recommended you keep the default setting or call BizView for more information. The Attributes tab is blank. No need to worry about this section. The Meta tab is a very important part of your post. This is where you'll put the information for search engines, such as Google, to find your posts when users look up relative information. A meta title is one of the most important on-page factors influencing your search engine ranking and should be treated with care. Your meta title is displayed in search engine results pages. Search engines such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing display your meta title tag as the top line of your search listing. You can include up to 12 words to be used in your title. We recommend using no more than 8 words that best describe your business. The purpose of a meta description tag is to provide a brief and concise summary of your website's content. Search engines often display meta description tags in the search engine results pages. These descriptions provide an introduction to the blog pages on your website that will likely determine whether a person decides to visit your page or bypass it. Therefore, the better your meta descriptions are, the greater the likelihood that a person will click on your link and visit your website. Meta tags is a coding statement that describes some aspects of the contents of a web page. The information you provide in a meta tag is used by search engines to index a page so that someone searching for the kind of information the page contains will be able to find it. The meta tag is placed near the top of the HTML in a web page as part of the heading. You will only want to have 5 to 10 keywords for your blog posts or search engines will penalize your site. Make sure your keywords accurately relate to the content in your page. Once everything is filled out, click Add Blog Entry, and you're done. Edit the blog post. While still in edit mode, you can edit the blog post just like a regular page. Delete a blog post. While on the blog post page, click or hover over the Edit button in the top left corner. In the options on the very bottom, click Delete. Now the post will be gone. Thanks for watching.